So here's how to create a digital planner to sell on Etsy. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to log into your Canva account, and here you have to search for the digital planner in the search bar. Once you search for it, now it will give you the various templates. Now from here you have to select your desired template. Here I will scroll down to the bottom and find a suitable template for me. Here I'm gonna select this daily planner, and once I clicked on it to open it, now here I'm gonna make few changes on it. To make changes on this, I'm gonna go to the elements section, and here I'm gonna search for the flowers, and you can search anything that you want to add in this. From here I'm gonna select this dried round flower pattern. Now here I'm gonna click on the three dots at the top, and after that from this menu here I'm gonna scroll to the right and click on the send to the back option. Here I'm gonna adjust it onto my planner and make it enlarge. After adjusting it, here I want to add some more elements in it, and here I will search for few more elements, and here I'm gonna select this one. Now again click on the three dots, and once you click on this, now from this menu you have to scroll to the right and then click on the send to back option. Now I want to place it to the corner of my daily planner. Then to change the colors of my previous element, I selected it, and now from the color palette I'm gonna select any color that I want to choose. Now let's make it more appealing by changing the entire color of the planner. Just before that I select the planner, and now from the color palette I'm going to select any color that I want. After making all the adjustments, now the time is to download it, and to download this file I'm gonna click on the arrow icon at the top of it, and once I clicked on it, now here it will give me the option to download as I want. After downloading this planner, now you can upload it to your Etsy store to sell it. So this was how you can create a digital planner to sell on Etsy.